Hey guys, welcome to another video where today you might see we're playing a different game. It's called Potter Game. It's so funny. I think the name is that. I think so. So we'll see how we'll do. And this is a lost city. And it doesn't look like a city. You might see there's C4. That you'll see what with the C4 we could do. I put C4 here. Fuse food. Oh, I forgot here, like this. Then I will put a fire coming to the C4. Did you see that? Do you see that? That's so cool. Did you see all of them? It's like a raining baby. And that's my brother actually screaming like that. If you can't hear it, it's okay. Nothing. Oh my. Do you see how beautiful? Do you see that? It's showing like an eye now. Oh my goodness. Magma what? Let's put magma. It's kind of like a dust. Oh, where's load? I forget where's load. Oh, here, load. Good, reset. I will put Sam into this thing. What? It's a stream. What? What? How it's coming from up? Oh my. What? I don't. Maybe it floated. Oh, this is so beautiful. Do you see that? Oh my. I can't see anything. Oh, onto the pump. Oh, I saved it. Load. Load. What? Oh, guys. Wait. Okay, guys, we had to join another game because I saved it by mistake, so it couldn't load anymore. So we're playing this game. Ooh, underwater setting. Here. What? What's this? Oh, I didn't put to fan. Fan is the most expensive. Did you see that? Oh, this game. It's just like lightning, like lightning, like lightning. Why am I singing song? What? What just happened? Put the normal. What? What's happening, guys? Oh my wait. Okay, guys, we able to do it. Something happened. It zoomed up like that, but you couldn't see it. I think you guys, I fixed it again. Do you see that? I have to load it or save. Look at this. The salt. Why there was salt? The water is salt. I love salt. And now I'm being like this. Okay, let's do air. How would? Oh, guys, do you see that? Wow, that's wind. Let's try maybe. Maybe wind. Wind. It's just like a fireworks. The other guys went like, what? It's just. Oh, never mind. What's this in the air? Is that air? What's coming? Oh my. Air. What? What is this? What? Oh my. Okay. It's okay. Do you see that air? Oh my, just like a tornado. Thunder does nothing. Wow. Oh, thunder is like this. Did you see what turned like? Guys, did you see what it turned like? It turned like what was it? A bird or a pigeon? Or what was it? A parrot. Yeah, parrot. What? What's this? And why the city is like that? Blow the city! Ah! Magma! Fire. That's... Guys! Did you see that? It's already 5 minutes! And do you see that beautiful red? Okay, guys. Let me do one thing and we will finish this video now. Whoa, what's this? Okay, guys. Okay. Okay, guys, we'll end the video, so we'll see you next time. Goodbye.